Sigmund Freud. Notable as the father of modern psychiatry, potential pros can effortlessly read everyone at the table and will know when people are bluffing. A man of science, he'll likely play the odds successfully, probably bluffs like a champ. Potential cons: rude, snooty, intellectual types really take time away from books and acts of derision to play a lot of poker. Might be conservative with betting and miss out on big pot opportunities more. Sigmund Freud. 11 extremely weird things you never knew about Sigmund Freud. The best Sigmund Freud quotes: 189 of 1172 the best writers of all time. Ludwig van Beethoven. Notable as piano virtuoso, potential pros, went deaf at the end of his life, so won't need any pesky headphones to drown out the rest of the competitors. Germans have historically been known to be pretty ruthless, so he might just get crazy on the competition. Potential cons: was pretty obsessed with playing and composing, so might knock out early to carry on with that. Can you honestly even fathom? Joan of Arc. Notable as French revolutionary commander who saw visions from God. Potential pros: if she really is down with God, maybe he can whisper things about the other players' cards in her ear. Spent a lot of time with the men in the French army and may have acquired some card-playing skills in that time. Does anybody really expect to lose to a girl? Potential cons: only one woman has ever won a WSOP main event, and that was at the inaugural WSOP Europe event. However, the winner, Annette Aubry. Socrates. Notable as one of the founders of Western philosophy. Potential pros: he's a thinker, which means he's not going to make any rash decisions when it comes to his cards. Pioneered the concepts of irony and the scope of knowledge. So not only can he bluff well by throwing some shade at the other players, he knows that there's only so much he can know about what he and the other players know about cards. At least. Potential cons: thinking too much can hurt your chances of bluffing and tell your opponents a lot about your cards. It can also lead to folding or pushing in when the time's not right. More Socrates. The best Socrates quotes: 4 of 1355 the greatest minds of all time. 13 of 2443 the most influential people of all time. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln. Genghis Khan. Napoleon.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.